How to change your name in Kansas. In this video, we will explain how you can change your name legally in Kansas. Legal name change process in Kansas. Cost to change your name in Kansas. Kansas name change forms. County Courts of Kansas legal name change. We will also explain adult name change in Kansas. Child/minor name change in Kansas. Marriage name change in Kansas. Divorce name change in Kansas. This name change information is brought to you by LegallyNameChange.com. To prepare your documents fast, please click on the link in the description. What is the cost to file a name change in Kansas? You can file your name change in any district court of Kansas. The cost to file name change forms in Kansas is $156. However, a few courts charge more to file a petition for change of name. Payment may be made by cash, credit card, check, or money order. Make checks payable to the Clerk of District Court. Forms required for a name change process in Kansas. There are 4 types of name change forms you will have to use to file your name change legally in Kansas. Adult name change. Child/minor name change. Marriage name change. Divorce name change. You must fill out the right forms and bring them to the clerk of the Kansas courthouse near your location. The required forms for Kansas name change process are 1. Civil cover sheet. 2. Petition for change of name. 3. Notice of hearing by publication. 4. Notice of hearing by mail. 5. Order for name change. Some courts also require you to fill out local forms to ask for a name change. Ask your local court clerk if there are local forms you have to fill out. You may be able to find your court's local forms on your district court's website. Make sure to keep copies of any local forms you fill out. Sign your name change petition in front of notary. Do not sign the petition until you are in front of a notary public. A notary is available at the Court Help Center. Other documents required for name change in Kansas. Birth certificate. Social security number. Driver license. Marriage name change in Kansas. Fill out your marriage license application using the new last name and file the document with the district court to obtain your license. Once the marriage ceremony has taken place, and you are legally married in Kansas, order a certified copy of your marriage record from the Department of Health and Environment. $15 is filing fee. Finally, use the copy as evidence of your name change when updating your social security card, driver's license, and other personal accounts. Name change after divorce in Kansas. If you recently got divorced, the divorce decree is proof that you may resume the use of a prior name. You can use the certified copy of your divorce decree for updating your name in Social Security Administration, DMV, and other agencies. Make at least 2 copies of all your forms. The court will keep the original. 1 copy is for you, the other is for publication in a newspaper. Filing a legal name change in Kansas. Take all completed papers and filing fees to the county clerk's office, the county where you live, where a case number will be assigned. Ask the clerk about the court hearing date, time, and location. Publish your new name in newspaper. Bring the completed notice of hearing by publication to a local county newspaper. Ask the newspaper to publish the notice one time each week for 3 weeks in a row. A publication fee may be required. The final date of publication must be no less than 30 days before the date of your hearing. Go to court hearing if necessary. Visit the courthouse and attend your hearing. Make sure you have the following documents with you. Photo identification. Birth certificate or other proof of birth. Copies of all of your filed paperwork, including proof of publication. Be prepared to respond to questions relating to the reason for your name change. If the request is granted by a judge, he or she will sign the order form and return it to you. This document will be the legal evidence of your name change. Get certified copies decree of name change. Once you get your signed decree, get a certified copy from the court clerk. You can use this to change all your legal documents, including your birth certificate, social security card, and other government-issued identification like your passport or driver's license. You may hire the professional staff of LegallyNameChange.com to prepare the right forms for the right court. The link is in the description. Thank you so much.